Yeah, we're trying to catch fish like this here.
Oh, do you got it? Oh my God. Woo.
Yeah. Oh, my water! Oh!
What happened?
My water! Oh, my water!
Oh, water! What?
My water!
It's okay, it's okay. He's picking up his water board over the edge there.
Yes! Chris, you just missed a bite? Fish! Fish! Dad just picked up the rod! That was crazy, I just picked up the rod! Yeah, I just picked up the rod and it was on. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, we're out in the Detroit River. So you guys can see right now, just made it onto the shoreline. We got crystal clear skies, beautiful, beautiful conditions. Water is just like glass right now. The best that you can ask for at the moment. Today I'm gonna be using a 3/4 ounce jig and I'm gonna be trying to bang this bottom for some nice big fall walleye. Anyways, stay tuned for the episode. Rob, I got you, Rob. Yes. Whoa. Wait, don't cheer yet, don't do that. Keep your head, keep it real tight. Don't cheer yet, bro. Cheer at the end. That's what I said. Don't do that.
It went right loose.
That's what I said. Don't do that yet. Don't.
It's a fat one too, brother.
Yeah, I was gonna say, don't do that yet, bro.
I can tell just by the rod.
Yeah.
It's a medium heavy, and look at it bend.
Yeah.
Holy. Might have to take a break after this one, V.
What?
My arms aren't worth anymore, dude.
You only been here for 2 minutes.
My arms aren't worth a man. They kept going numb on me yesterday.
Oh no.
Yeah, just from casting.
Don't move away. Don't move away. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. He's gonna come back around this way. Trust me. Stay there. Wait. There you go, bro. Nice fish.
Baby.
Nice fish. Congratulations.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Yes, baby. Right there. Detroit walleye.
Oh yeah, Robbie. Nice one. That's a chunky, bro.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. All right.
Yeah, yeah. No, double header height shot nice. Yeah, I was far. Really far. Yeah, first fish of the day, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Here you go, Pooh. Thank you. Good little eater. Good little eater.
Yeah.
Thank you, Boo. All right, here you guys go. Using the silver pepper shiner. Yeah. Jig color doesn't matter, like I said, doesn't matter, but that right there is probably about 14 inches or so. With me, I like to select my sizes. I would like to go like about 17 inches and a little bit bigger. 17 to 22 is like the perfect size. So let him go, give him a chance for you to get him for later on time. Don't cut your limit, limit your catch, just so you can reserve the resources.
Still a fish.
Oh, it's beautiful this morning.
Yeah, nice day.
Oh,
Yeah.
good size meat.
Yeah, I like this side.
Changa?
Yeah, chinganya.
There you
Oh,
are.
the master, Bob. The master. Look at that, it came off the hook and everything. There you go, Boo.
Okay.
Congratulations. Same size, Boo.
Same size like me.
Doink. Yeah, you are doink too.
Yeah.
Good job, Boo. Did you see Lucky Guy trying to run in a spot? Well, my cousin Pete landed a fish, and Lucky Guy ran into a spot right away. Fish.
Got it. Okay. I think it's like.
Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah.
I want it. Look through it there, boy. Grown up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Second fish on the day.
Finally.
I know.
Yeah, good size too.
Yeah.
Wow, right on the mouth, man. Oh.
Thank you.
Catch me.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. I keep this one, boy.
Yeah, you want it?
Yeah.
All right. Let me
Okay.
let me look top real quick.
Okay, I take it out first.
Yeah. I'll continue.
Okay.
Okay.
Look hard. Put the
Yeah.
honey. That around it.
All right. Thank you.
Wow. Tango really good.
Really tangled, Boo.
Yeah. I can tell.
That's on Goldie.
Yeah, that was on a goby. Yeah. All right, guys. So there you guys go. Second one of the whole day right there. Nice fall walleye. They're actually really, really clean. I'm holding it, and actually, it's very cold. So I'm guessing the water's gonna be about 40 degrees or so. We're out here in a t-shirt. We got a warm front in here, and we're just slaying them. Got it on the goby, 3/4 ounce jig. You guys go. Boo!
You take the picture.
For you, man.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. There you guys go. I got you. I got you. Yes. Bro, you're looking fresh today, man.
Cleaned up nice.
Holy cow, he's got the Raider gear. Hey, what you gonna do with all that money? Buy Raider gear. All right. Anyways.
Raider gear. Couple of rods.
Yeah. Buy Raider gear and curl activator. Oh, that's a nice one. Slay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Are you keeping?
I'm not keeping.
No, I'm just kidding, brother. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Why not?
Oh yeah.
Looks like it's a nice fish.
Decent.
I'm gonna jig while I'm recording. You're jigging with why not? Feisty one.
Use a little guy.
We'll use the little guy.
Little guy for little fish.
Yeah.
Little net for little fish.
Nice.
You keep? I don't keep.
Onto the stringer. What's what you're doing?
Oh, flips on. I already just missed a bite. Just missed it as he got his. Oh, there you are.
Holy fuck there.
Holy fuck. Oh, got it. You got it, Mike?
Yep.
It's a silver.
No, it's a bass.
It's a bass. It's a smallmouth.
Yeah.
Wait. There you go.
You want
Oh.
that one?
Nice. All right, guys. There you go. Cool. Multi-species day. This is the first fall smallmouth that I caught for the season, and I just switched on to a black Mr. Twister. So guys, check that out right there. That thing mammored it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Beautiful fish. You think so?
Oh yeah, I think so. No, it's not a sheep.
Oh, that's fighting, bro.
Yeah, that's a head shake.
Oh, it's a big one.
Oh
man.
yeah,
That's a big one.
I'll say that's in the mouth.
You slayer.
Why not? Why not?
Oh,
No,
come
no,
on,
why
It's a
not?
hog. If the hook's caught on the front
Oh!
of the mouth is actually.
You got him.
There you go.
You got him.
Good net job, Jerry.
Why
you.
not?
Oh yeah.
Spectacular.
That's a beauty.
Yes.
We'll take it off over to the grass.
Oh, you don't have to give it ass, Eric.
Oh, I want to though.
Man, that thing torched that bait.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There you go, Eric. That's a nice fish, brother.
Oh yeah. She's a beauty. Like.
Yeah, finally, bro. Here we go. Jerry on a Detroit River walleye. Fall. Walleye.
Wall jaw.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Wall jaw.
Oh. Oh, there's nothing wrong with that one. Oh, it came off too.
Look at that.
There you go, milk and fishing.
Wall jaw.
Guys, another one for the stringer. Yeah, beautiful, Jerry.
Beautiful
That's
little,
awesome.
3-pound wall jaw.
What's up?
Wall jaw.
All right, brother.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send you that still shot.
Yeah.
So I missed the fight, but Jerry got a second one. So Jerry, how's it feel now?
It feels good because I can't catch muskie.
It feels good because you can't catch muskie.
Open your yap.
Oh, is it beautiful? Tangled in the net. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yay. Yes, yes, bro. What do you say? Three?
Cheese.
All right. I was saying 3-pounder, but okay, cheese is good. Yeah, we're trying to catch fish like this here.
Do you got it? Oh my God. Woo.
Yeah. Oh, my water! Oh,
What happened?
my water! Oh, my water!
Oh, water.
My water!
It's okay. It's okay. He's picking up his board over the edge there.
Yes! Chris, you just missed a bite? Fish! Fish! Dad just picked up the rod! That was crazy, I just picked up the rod! Yeah, I just picked up the rod and it was on.
You got it?
That was crazy. I gotta rewatch that. That was nuts. Bro, I put my rod down to get my water bottle.
Yeah, I know.
I turned around and picked up the rod. The fish was already on. It was already swimming on my rod. That was messed up. Did you see that?
You did that earlier this year too.
Did you see that? That was crazy.
You did that earlier this year too.
Oh my God.
I got the net in the car for you, eh? It's bigger than this one. The net, my net's bigger than this one.
There you go. Boat for trim.
Yeah.
Oh
Yes.
my God. Like I told me. See, I told you, huh?
Here we go.
Hey, I told you, do like it
I have
like
to-
this, huh?
Yeah.
I'm
Thank
lucky
you.
for you, huh?
Yeah, you are lucky for
I'm
me.
lucky
bro.
for me, right? Yeah, how long you waiting there? There's another guy there. You need help? Right? Okay, I will be there.
All right, brother. Thank
You
you.
want to see?
All right, guys. So there you go. Walleye on the black and gold there. Kind of funny how we got that. I actually put my rod down to get my water bottle because the water bottle rolled into the river. And then I ended up picking the rod and that was on the end of it. So what'd you guys think? 3-ish? 4-ish? 3-ish?
3-ish.
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 Nice fish.
Nice.
This one has to go to Pooh, man.
What?
I promised him first.
Hold the phone there.
There you guys go.
Okay. Perfect.
And the winds are at the riverside. The winds are with my friend and the fishing here, right? Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Thank you.
All right, here, Pooh. Enjoy, Pooh. This is so cool.
There you go.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. All right, everyone, gonna end my day there. It was actually a fascinating day. Caught a bunch of little dinks. Wasn't looking for the big falls. You know, big fall walleyes didn't really bite me as much. Jerry got a nice tank. Eric got a nice tank. He's sitting on the bench over there with Mike. Yeah, tanks. Onto the stringer, Pete. Anyways, like I said, this will probably be the last fall walleye video of the season. Gonna enjoy myself, enjoy with my friends. You guys get a chance, it's gonna end, so get up here soon. Jig the bottom, get the good fishing gear, and I'll see you next time.